Hi, my name is Syed Umair Ahmed and I teach media studies here at the Meritorious College A-Levels. Meritorious has something to offer for everybody.
My name is Raja Shafkataya and I teach maths, and I've been teaching A-level maths from last 22 years at various institutions of Karachi, and I'm associated with Meritorious from day one.
हमारे यहाँ निसाबी सरगर्मियों के साथ हम निसाबी सरगर्मियों पर खास तवज्जो दी जाती है.
We have a wide range of subjects to choose from, especially media studies, computer science, subjects that you don't get to take in other schools.
If you want to go to abroad, or you want to continue your study in the city, or you want to continue your study in the country, then definitely this college will help you out to find proper path for your future.
If a student is studying at Meritorious from younger grades, starting from middle school and O-levels, they assess their aptitude at a very early stage.
And another strength of this place is that I see an extremely disciplined environment.
Overall Meritorious एक complete package है, academics को लेके या extra curricular activities को लेके Meritorious students के लिए एक ideal option.
Looking forward to having your students and helping them shape their future. Thank you very much.